Tracking task dependencies in Process.st is a crucial skill to manage workflows efficiently, especially when tasks rely on each other to move forward. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to track those dependencies and streamline your processes. Stick around till the end for a special offer that could make it easier than ever for you to get started with Process.st. Process.st allows you to create structured workflows that include tasks with dependencies, so you can track what needs to happen before other steps can begin. Task dependencies are crucial when you're working on projects where one task is reliant on the completion of another. To get started, open your process in Process.st. When you're creating or editing a task, you'll notice a button to add dependencies. What this does is link one task to another, meaning the second task won't start until the first one is completed. You can do this by simply clicking the dependency button next to the task you're editing. It's a drag and drop system, so you can link tasks effortlessly. This setup is perfect for scenarios like project management, where tasks like review design can't begin until design completed is marked done. This visual structure helps you avoid bottlenecks and delays in your process. By using task dependencies, you're ensuring that your process flows seamlessly, with each step waiting for the necessary input before proceeding. Another great feature of Process.st's dependency tracking is the ability to use checklists within each task. For example, when a task is marked complete, the next task in line can automatically trigger a checklist for you to go through. This is great for ensuring nothing is missed in each step. You can also use the due dates feature in conjunction with task dependencies. Setting up task dependencies with specific due dates allows your workflow to stay on schedule. As one task is completed, Process.st will automatically update the due date for the dependent task, ensuring you're always on top of deadlines. But it doesn't stop there. Dependencies aren't just about order. You can also set specific conditions that need to be met before the next task can be started. This adds another layer of control over your process, especially if certain tasks depend on things like approvals or documents being uploaded. You can customize these conditions with the built-in field options that Process.st provides. Now, you're probably wondering, how can you use this to its fullest potential? It's really about applying dependencies to your most complex processes, those that involve multiple stakeholders and timelines. With Process.st, you can manage everything from simple tasks to highly intricate projects, all while making sure that tasks are completed in the right order. I highly recommend using the task dependencies feature in Process.st if you're looking to streamline your workflow, prevent errors, and make collaboration easier. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, a product launch, or just a simple team project, this feature will save you time and effort. And here's the best part: you can try Process.st completely free. Click the link in the description below to get access to an extended free trial, along with some exclusive bonuses that can give you a head start in mastering task dependencies. So, don't miss out. Track task dependencies in Process.st effectively, and you'll see how much smoother your processes will run. Click the link to get started today.